Good morning to all students. Once again, welcome on online classes. In today's lecture, we will discuss the chapter 15 probability of class 9. In previous lecture, we already discussed students that how we will find out the total number of outcomes, how we will find out the sample space and formula of probability. Students, what is the formula of the probability? Probability is equals to the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. And students, what is the range of the probability? Probability की range क्या होती है? The value of probability is equals to 0, greater than 0, equals to 1 and less than 1. Value of probability always lies between 0 to 1. 0 के इक्वल भी होती है, 0 से ग्रेटर होती है, लेस देन 1 एंड इक्वल्स टू 1. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस दैट वन एग्जांपल. In that example, student, what is given to you? A dice is thrown 1000 times with the frequencies for the outcomes. All student, you know, when we are throwing the dice, the number of outcomes will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as given in the following. Outcomes 1, how many time will come? 179 times. 2, how many time will come? 150 times. 3, how many time will come? 157. 4, how many time will come? 149. 5, how many time will come? 179. And 6, how many time will come? 190. So first of all, here we will find out the total number of outcomes. So we will find out here total number of outcomes. So what are the total number of outcomes, students, here? 179, 150, 157, 149, 175 plus 190. How many time toss? That will come equals to 1000. Add कर लो. 5, 9, 7, 9, 9, 18, 18, 90, 20, 25, 30, then 1000 will come. Now we will use the probability of formula. Probability of event is equals to the number of favorable outcomes is divided by total number of outcomes. So first of all, we will calculate the probability of event 1. Our probability of coming 1. So what is the probability of coming 1? Coming 1 how many time will come, student? 179. Divide total is 1000. So probability 0.179. And this value is greater than 1 or less than 1? This value is less than 1. Similarly, we can find out the second probability. Probability of coming 2. So probability of coming 2 is 150. 2 how many time will come? 150 time. Total number of outcome is 1000. 0, 0, 0.15. Next, probability of coming 3. Probability of coming 3, 157 upon 1000. 0.157. Here 150. Next, probability of coming 4. Student, 4 how many time will come? 149. So 149 upon 1000. 0.149. Next, probability of coming 5. So probability of coming 5, 175 divided by 1000. 0.175. And the last, probability of coming 6, 190 divided by 1000, that will come 0.19. And how you will check that, students, your answer is correct or not? So if the sum of all the probabilities is equals to 1, then answer is correct. Now we will find out P of E1, that is probability of E1, that is probability of E2, probability of E3, probability of E4, probability of E5 and probability of E6. E1 plus E2, E3, probability of E4 plus probability of E5 plus probability of E6. What is the value of probability of E1? 0.179 plus 0.150, 0.157, 0.149, 175 plus 0.190. ऐड करो 9, 9, 18, 18, 23, then 30 is 0. 3, 7, 3, 10, 7 plus 3, 10, 19, 19, 4, 23, 23 plus 5, 28, 28 plus 5, 28, 33, 33 and 7, 33 plus 7, 40, 0, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0.1. So what is the probability? So probability of total is equals to 1. ये verification हो गया. Meaning is that the answer which you will find out that is correct. आपने जो आंसर फाइंड आउट किया है वो क्या है? आपका आंसर करेक्ट है. Any other problem? So students, here the total number of outcomes are given to you. Then you will find out the probability for each and every. Any problem? Now next we will discuss the meaning of at least and at most. What does the meaning of at least and at most? अब देखो क्या मीनिंग है at least का और at most का. Now we will discuss meaning of at least and next is at most. So meaning of at least means minimum value is fixed and maximum may be any in the given range. Minimum may be fixed and maximum may be any in the given range. And at most, maximum value is fixed and minimum may be 0 also. That is not present. So in case of at least, their students minimum value is fixed. Minimum value क्या बनेगी आपकी? Fix बनेगी. But maximum value may be any from the given interval. Next, we will discuss the question based on that one. If question is that tossing 3 coins together, then find the probability first of at least 2 heads, second is at least 2 tails, third is at most 1 head, fourth is at most 2 heads. Then before finding out that one, firstly we will write down the total number of outcomes. Then students, how we will write down the total number of outcomes? देखो कैसे write करेंगे. In case of 3 coins, first coin, second coin and third coin, head, 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 tail, 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 then head, head, tail, tail, head, head and tail, tail, HT, HT, HT and HT. So we will write down here total number of outcome is equals to 8, which are can be written as HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT, THH, THT, TTH and TTT. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now first question is that at least 2 head. So in the case of at least 2 head, first is at least 2 heads. So in the condition of at least 2 head, minimum 2 head होनी चाहिए, maximum maybe 3 head also. Then which condition will come? At least 2 head, 3 head, triple H, then HHT, HTH, THH. These 4 condition we will include in which at least 2 heads are present. Minimum 2 heads are present. So what is the probability of at least 2 heads? How we will find out the probability of at least 2 heads? कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? at least 2 हेड के केस में देखो क्या है, 4/8, 1/2. Second we will find out at most. Second is at least 2 tails. Sorry, at least 2 tails. So in at least 2 tails, which condition we will include here? At least 2 tails, minimum 2 tail होने चाहिए. 1, 2, 3, 4. So HTT, HTT, then THT, then TTH, then TTT also. So 4. So probability of at least 2 tail is equals to 4/8, 1/2. Third is that at most 1 head. At most 1 head. So in at most 1 head, maximum may be 1 head, minimum may be 0. मैक्सिमम कितने हेड होने चाहिए? 1 हेड होना चाहिए. तो 1 हेड देखो किस किस में है, 1, 2, 3 एंड TTT ऑल्सो, बिकॉज 0 हेड भी प्रेजेंट हो सकते हैं. सो एट मोस्ट 1 हेड, HTT, THT, TTH and TTT4. So what is the probability of at most 1 head? That is 4/8, 1/2. Fourth is that at most 2 heads. So at most 2 heads, maximum 2 head होनी चाहिए, minimum may be 0. So 2 head, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That 7 condition will come. At HT, HTH, HTT, THH, THT, TTH and TTT. So probability of total is 7. So probability of at most 2 heads is equals to 7/8 will come. So students, any problem? So here you understand what is the meaning of at least and at most. So at least meaning minimum value may be fixed, maximum may be any. मिनिमम वैल्यू क्या रहेगी? फिक्स रहेगी. मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकती है. एंड इन केस ऑफ एटमोस्ट मैक्सिमम वैल्यू इज फिक्स, मिनिमम में बी एनी इन द गिवन रेंज. मिनिमम वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकती है आपकी गिवन रेंज में. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द एट लीस्ट एंड द एटमोस्ट. एनी प्रॉब्लम? नो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो. Next question is that here we will write down the income and here name of the vehicle. TVS, Hero and Bajaj. Income for TVS, और here we write employee write कर लो. Employee 2, 3 and 4. TVS purchase 200, 300 and 400. Out of 200, 100 purchase TVS, 50%, 50 is Hero and 50 Bajaj. Out of 300, 150, 100 and 50. Here 250, then 150. एम्प्लॉयज है 200 है, फर्स्ट क्लास, सेकंड में ये है, थर्ड में ये है. सो टीवीएस कितने परचेज कर रहे हैं, हीरो कितने परचेज कर रहे हैं एंड बजाज कितने परचेज कर रहे हैं. सो फर्स्टली वी विल फाइंड आउट हियर टोटल नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयर्स. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज आर 200 प्लस 300 प्लस 4, 4372 900. Now firstly probability of TVS or probability of buying TVS. So what is the probability of buying TVS? That is 100 plus 150 plus 250 divided by 900. 200, 300, 400. 500 upon 900. That is 5 upon 9. And you will mention a probability formula. P of E is equals to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Second, probability of buying Hero. हीरो के लिए क्या बनेगी? 50 प्लस 100 प्लस 100 डिवाइड बाई 900. 250 अपॉन 900 0. 5 5 25 5 1 4 8. That is 5 upon 18. Third is probability of buying Bajaj. That is 50 plus 50 plus 50 upon 900. 150 upon 900 0. 5 3 18. 3 upon 18. Now we'll check probability of total. Check करो. So probability of total 5 upon 9, 5 upon 18 plus 3 upon 18. LCM is 18. 5 to 10 plus 5 plus 3. That will come 18 upon 18 is 1. So students, here the value of total probability is 1. So your answer is correct or not? Your answer is correct. Understand? So students, easy question, So before finding out the probability, firstly you will find out the total number of outcomes and number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes for TVS 100 plus 150 plus 250 that time. So in today's lecture, we discuss about the probability. After watching that video, all students complete chapter 15. In next lecture, we will do some questions of your chapter 15. Then after, we will start new chapter, that is your chapter circles. Understand? Okay. So again I repeat, after watching that video, all students complete chapter 15. Okay. Thank you.